Hey everybody, this is Trish from Crazy Indian Treasures, and I got some fun things to show you today. I have got a finished project, and I have some yarn to show off. I don't know what it is. It's Mary Maxim's Yarn Club of the Month, and it came in today. And I have two orders to show off. So let's get started, shall we? This, first of all, is a sweater that I finished. It's very warm. I made it with Mary Maxim's Aran Twist. It was a good price. So anyway, I finished my sweater. Yay! And it is warm. It is warm. Next, I put in an order at Shein. Shein, Canada. I ordered some things for the house. So let's see what came in, shall we? Because I can't remember what I ordered. Oh, I know one thing I ordered. I'm going to get yelled at for it. We'll put him aside because he's cute. I bought some, this is tape to fix rips in screens, window screens. So I bought some, it's just a small amount of tape, but I bought it $3. Dots for my cupboards, 30 of them, so that things don't, because they're expensive if you try and find them. I tried to find them on my own, and they were expensive, so $3. And 200 colorful buttons. Because I don't have colorful buttons. There we go. There's everything in that bag. Except for him. I'm such a kid. He requires some. Sorry, I'm having a hard time speaking today. He requires some. Oh, what am I trying to say? He requires some assembly. Honestly. Oh, nope, this way. Because this goes down. Oh, nope, it is this one. Da, 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 da. Honestly, I'm all thumbs. Now that I'm on camera, I can't do it. Get in the little hole. Oh, it's screwed in. Why would they do that, right? Anyway, it's a rubber ducky. Rubber ducky, you're the one. Wearing a helmet. And sunglasses. With a propeller. I'll show it to you after I get it all put together, but that's going to obviously take me some time, so I'm not going to do it on camera. So let's check the other bag, shall we? I have, this is from Joanne, right on. I know what this is too. So I ordered some stuff from Joanne, not a lot. Boopity boop, boopity boop. Oh, those are pretty. So are those. And there we go. I got these for charms. Aren't they pretty? These for charms. With the abalone shell. There we go. Abalone shell. Abalone shell. Abalone shell. Yeah, so aren't those pretty? So those are charms for stitch markers, for my dream catchers, for necklaces. You know, I can do a whole bunch of things with those. So it's good that I have them. Now, yarn, let's get into the Merry Maxim, hey? Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. What is the project this month? It's good. Oh. Oh, it is Birds of a Feather Cowl. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty with all the different colors? And that's what I got in here. I've got 4 cakes. Ooh. Okay, one's open. Kind of. Oh, this stuff's nice. This is Stitch Bird. This is a nice colorway. Look at those purples. Oh, I like that. And I've learned that green and purple go together. Who would have thunk that? Because I didn't think that. But I was wrong. So this is called Stitch Bird from Lion Brand. It's 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. And it is a bulky number 5. And it is 131 yards or 120 meters. It is 83% acrylic, 17% wool. So it is a acrylic wool blend. This colorway is called Purple Martin. Pretty. Some really nice pretty grays and dark black and purple in that one. And then in the same package, these came. I'll open this one up. This is Stitch Bird. Same things, but this colorway is called Parrot. Isn't that pretty? It's so bright. There's some green in there. That's green in case you're wondering. And then that's a blue. That's pretty. That's pretty. Yeah, there you go. That's pretty. So yeah, that's the yarn this month from their project or their Yarn of the Month Club. And they want you to make this Birds of a Feather Cowl. Isn't that pretty? I might have to make that. Telling you to use an 8mm crochet hook. Nice. So yeah, that's what came in today. Birds of a feather cowl. Yep. So yeah, that's what came in today. That's all my mail. And I got to send out something to somebody else, and they'll be happy they got it. So yay. But yeah, my little, my little rubber ducky. I gotta get him all straightened up because he's kind of cute, and I like rubber duckies. And if you don't know, I'm like a big kid. I don't care how old I am. That's just a stinking number. I am as old as I am, and that's it. And I like toys. I like gadgets. I like little things like that. I get a kick out of them. Trying to put that screw in that little hole. Okay. Whee! Hee hee hee. Hee hee hee. Hee hee. Isn't he cute? Isn't he cute? He wears a chain. We'll put the chain around his head. And he wears eyeglasses. Why? See what the stickers for? They won't stick otherwise. Oh. Oh, that's double-sided tape to keep the glasses on. Mmm. I like him even though he doesn't have the glasses on. Is he cute? Is he cute? So I want to put him on top of my car. So his little thing will go while I drive. I think he would look so cute on my hood. Probably won't happen, but it's in the head. I think it would be cute. I really do. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I got today. I'm gonna take a look at these buttons. Oh, they're cute little buttons. That was the back, and that's the front. They got a ridge around them. So yeah, nice colorful buttons I can use for crafts, and that's why I wanted them. And there's 200 in there. So yay! I got lots of things. I really like these. I really like these, so I'll have to figure out what I want to do with them. But one's pyrite quartz, and then we've got other ones, which I'm not sure of, but I'll look them up. Yes, I will. So that's it, folks. That's all I've got for you today. But thank you for watching. And if you liked it, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and join my family. It's free. And I hope you all have an awesome day, an awesome week, and I will see you Saturday when I go live. I go live every Saturday night, 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. Okay? Bye.